Hello guys, this is Vaish. This is the third episode of Science and Technology, and it's the third week of Plum series also. So if you are seriously watching, you have to watch it from the episode 1 because every day it's a different subject and it's taken by different teachers like you see here. Tuesdays geography, Wednesdays polity and so on. So you have to watch it in a particular order so that you get from the basics. And these are the list of playlist of free lectures which is there in our channel. The first question for today, Science and Tech. Which of the following are true about hydrogen fuel? It is a zero emission fuel when burnt with oxygen. The fuel can be used in the fuel cells or in the internal combustion engines. It is also used as fuel for spacecraft propulsion. So in science and technology, over the years, most of the times the answer has come as 1, 2 and 3. And this case also, if you read carefully, you will notice that these are very general statements. Okay, in science and technology, whenever it is general statements, 99% it will be true only. So here also, in this case, the answer is C, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, because these are very general statements and not telling any numbers or names or any year of launch. Such things are not there. When factual things are there, that is where mistakes will come. So here answer is 1, 2 and 3. And in Indian government also, the National Hydrogen Mission was announced in the union budget in 2020-21, and after that lot of developments have happened, and over the years you will learn more and more factual information. So that and all in the test series PDF, when you enroll, you will get more details. Okay. Second question, which of the following are true? Galaxy cannibalism is an interaction between a low luminosity galaxy and a brighter one. Galactic harassment is a process where a large galaxy interacts with a companion through tidal gravitational interaction. So these are two terms which keeps coming in the Hindu and all in the science column. So generally in textbooks and you cannot you cannot find it. Either you have to follow a current affair magazine or you have to follow a test series which covers all the science terms which comes in the news. So here two statement type question, one only, two only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So if you have never heard and if you don't know, don't attempt and simply make it negative. Okay. So in this question, the answer is D, neither 1 nor 2, because these two are interchanged. Okay. The definitions of both these things are interchanged. So some definitions I'll show you. So generally interacting galaxies means are those galaxies whose gravitational fields disturb one another. Okay. Meaning their gravitational fields are disturbing each other in some way. Then it is like two of the galaxies are interacting. Okay. Galaxy harassment, which is the second statement here, it is actually an interaction between a low luminosity galaxy and a brighter one. It is usually common in rich galaxy clusters such as Coma and Virgo. So these two are name of galaxy. So a low luminosity galaxy and a brighter one has an interaction that is called galaxy harassment. Okay, so that is why one statement is wrong. Now the other one, which is the statement 1, galaxy cannibalism, is a process where a large galaxy interacts with a companion through tidal gravitational interactions. So this is the definition of this thing. You don't have to do much research on this because in mains also questions won't come on this, and there is no science specific optionals and all there. You have to by heart lot of things. Okay, as a current affair point or as a prelims question and all, you can just know what is the basic definition. A galactic tide is a force experienced by objects subjected to the gravitational field of a galaxy. Then there is galaxy collisions and merger. Okay, so galaxy collisions are common during galaxy evolution. In these interactions, two galaxies will collide and will not have enough momentum to continue traveling after collision. Okay, galaxy merger occurs when two or more galaxies collide with each other. They are the most violent type of galaxy interaction. Galaxy mergers are highly important as they are the fundamental measure of galaxy evolution. So this kind of terms, it's like a one-time learning only. After that, you don't have to do any extra research. Whatever is given here, this much if you by heart, that is enough. And this is all there in our science test series PDF. Okay, more and more definitions like this, we are picking up from the Hindu newspaper. Question number 3, real mango was seen in news related to. Okay, so there's a terminology like this which came in the news. So it is related to a Trojan virus affecting bank accounts, illegal app affecting iOS phones and laptops, malware affecting seaports in India, illegal software developed for booking railway tickets. So all these, if you see it, something like illegal or malware or Trojan, so such terminologies, okay, keeps coming in the news, and sometimes the UPSC will pick up from the Hindu and ask you. So here, again, it's a factual thing. Answer is D. So the Railway Protection Force does a lot of national level investigations, and they find out these kind of things which is going wrong. Okay, so it is an illegal software developed for booking Tatkal tickets. It bypasses the CAPTCHA. Okay, CAPTCHA, you will know CAPTCHA code and all, which is there whenever you log in somewhere, the name, password, and after that there will be a box in which they are given some letters which are not very neatly written. It will be in a very, they're just testing whether it's a human or a robot, so you have to look that and type. So that is a CAPTCHA. Okay, its full form is completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. It determines whether the user is a real or spam robot. CAPTCHA uses several human validation methods, including math or general knowledge questions, visual puzzles, and even chess puzzles. Okay, there will be a lot of other things. So like some pictures will be given and asked like where all traffic light is there, where all or some animal is there. Something they'll ask to identify whether you are a human doing it or a robot is automatically following the next kind of instruction. Okay. So more details about this is given, like how the OTP is taken, how the software is working, but that is not very important. Question number 4. Which of the following sheeps was identified as the second in India and sixth in the world to carry FECB mutation gene responsible for multiple birth such as twins and triplets? Okay, so options are the Deshi sheep of Odisha, Marwari sheep of Rajasthan, blue sheep of Himalayas, or none of these. So these are different types of sheeps in India, and in environment also they make a lot of questions to put like match the following location wise. They'll ask you to match it, so that also there also it'll help you. So here in current affair aspect or science aspect, where is or which one is the one which has this multiple birth? Okay, answer is A. So Deshi sheep, it's also called the Kendrapara sheep. It is an indigenous variety mainly found in Kendrapara, Cuttack and other places inside Odisha. So the state is more important, and it's also called Deshi sheep. It was identified as second in India. This is the question which we asked. Okay, and Marwari is a Indian breed of domestic sheep which you can find in Rajasthan or northwest India. Okay, and then some district names are given here, and then it has a white body and a black face. So like this, some just unique features you have to note down. Okay, and they don't have horns. Okay, ears are unusually small and are tubular in shape. Then the last one, the Bharal, also the blue sheep. It is in Himalayas and it is only member of the genus of Pseudois. It is found in many other countries. Okay, meaning the Himalayan countries mostly. There are not it is found. Okay, so this is the question number 4. Now last question. Ingenuity helicopter is seen in news related to. So this keeps coming in the news last 5-6 years. It is there. So it is related to JAXA's Venus mission. JAXA means Japan's space agency. ESA, that is European Space Agency's solar mission. NASA, USA, Mars mission. Or India's, that is ISRO's lunar mission. Where did you hear or see the term Ingenuity helicopter? Okay, it keeps coming in the news because they keep testing different phases of that, or it will be reaching certain places. So where have you seen it? Answer is C, NASA. Okay, so the third flight of Ingenuity helicopter was in news last year. So again, it's a speed, these things and all is mentioned. It's actually part of the Mars mission which they have. Okay, there is a Mars exploration program they have. Under that, there is a Mars 2020 mission also. And in that, this Perseverance rover is there and Ingenuity helicopter is there. So mostly when it's India's related thing, okay, India's all this rover, lander, everything you have to know properly. USA only if it is very popular, you have to know. Okay, because sometimes UPSC asks, even in mains, they have asked a very detailed question about USA's Jupiter mission. Okay, a 10-mark question came in GS1 mains paper. So don't ignore thinking it is not India's. They can ask. Okay, so these were the 5 questions, and again, as I always tell, Plum series will help you. Okay, help you in a way that you will learn thousands of questions in a year. But when you join a test series, okay, it's Vaishya or any institute which you like, which is the university or which you prefer, you will get 10,000s of MCQs, and that is where the difference is. Okay, people who are watching free videos, they have a psychological thing that okay, they are learning a lot of things, but actually when you compare with a person who is studying from a test series, you are studying only 1/10 of that. Okay, so see to it that you do the Plum series but also have a genuine test series enrolled. Okay, for science and tech, generally you have to read newspaper, you have to have one good test series, and you have to solve a lot of quality MCQs with previous year questions and observe around what all things are happening around you. Okay, there is no need of any textbook for science. Okay, if you don't read NCERT also, it is okay, because many coaching classes are forcing students to read the chemistry, physics, biology textbooks and all. I'm telling you, it is of no use. Okay, if you're giving Indian forest exam, it may be useful a little bit, but for Indian administrative exam, IAS or IPS and all, you don't need the science NCERTs. Don't waste your time on that. Okay, you have to know current affairs and a good test series. Okay, and we have 5 specific science tests here, and we have nearly 24 months of current affair here. So you can enroll to them separately also and see to it that you are getting all the marks which UPSC is going to ask from this section. Okay, because we have a back-to-back record of having 100 plus marks in prelims. Okay, because we are reading almost every newspaper and framing this. Okay, so if you need a particular like 12 month you can buy, 24 month you can buy, 48 month you can buy. It's all up to which level of preparation you are, if you're a veteran or if you're a fresher. Okay, so see to it that you are buying. Even science separately I've kept it this time because a lot of questions last year also came directly from our PDF only. So please see to it that you are getting this and learning. Okay, it's all lifetime validity PDF. You can, if you fail, you can use it next year also. Okay, so this is the test series list, and tomorrow we'll come with the next episode. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.